Because if this were to develop, it's going to be on our doorstep in just a few days. Even though it has a slight chance, it's something we need to watch. And the bottom line, possible development in the Gulf near us late week. Rain likely out of this, that's just the minimum. And then just stay close to the forecast. We'll keep you updated here and on Plus with what's going on out there. Here's the big picture. Tropics, that's the little piece of energy. It's rounding the bend of a high pressure area over us, which is giving us the heat right now. But as it comes into the Gulf, it's got a 10% chance for development. We've got warm water here and moderately favorable conditions there for possible slow tropical development over the next several days. Here's the modeling on this. So our little system, what there is of this, moves here south of Alabama as we head into Wednesday. That's tomorrow afternoon. Maybe it tries to cut off a weak area of low pressure. It really doesn't look very impressive to me. Now, last week, our little disturbance from here went right into Louisiana and brought them a lot of rain. And once it got over land, it could not develop. This one may have a little different trajectory. Models perhaps keeping it a little further offshore. So if that happens, it has a little bit better chance of developing because it's over the clear waters of the Gulf of Mexico. So this one might end up having a little better chance. Right now, Hurricane Center says just 10% chance, but because it's developing near us, it's something we need to pay close attention to just in case it decides to overdevelop based on what the models are showing. Here's another way of looking at it. There's our high pressure dome giving us the heat today, tomorrow, and Thursday. But as it begins to back off, that moisture is going to be moving closer to Houston. That's Thursday. And then Friday, what moisture there is of this comes into Texas and Louisiana. So regardless of development, we're going to get rain and thunderstorm activity out of this Friday and Saturday. So it's a wetter weather pattern Friday and Saturday. That's going to break our heat wave, but we'll have to watch and see if it ends up being more than just rain as far as any potential development. Over the next several days, heavy rain over the Gulf. And for us, anywhere in the blue from downtown to the coast, that's getting close to an inch of rain suggested. Friday, Saturday, half an inch to an inch north and west of Houston as the rain comes in from whatever decides to form or not form out there Friday, Saturday. And here are rain chances. For the moment, we're going to begin to bump them up Thursday afternoon to 20%, 50% chance for scattered showers Friday and Saturday. Both those days wet at times with tropical downpours as the system, what there is of it, gets close. We did hit